Hello folks. Alright, just want to show you guys the importance of changing a gas filter. Okay, this is a clear one, so you can see all the dirt that comes in it. Some cars don't have a clear one. Sometimes they're just hitting somewhere in the tank, maybe on the chassis somewhere. It's a sealed metal unit, but this one is a plastic one. And look at this, look at the crud and the dirt that comes up from your tank. There's a brand new tank in the back, by the way. Okay, these are all the things that can come up and clog up your carburetor and give you a hard time if it passes through this filter. Alright, lucky for this car, a lot of that sediment is stuck right to this filter. Hopefully it didn't go through and make the car run like crap. But yes, change them, especially the plastic ones, because they're not really great in the temperature of the heat of the engine, especially when it's right near the exhaust manifold over there. Alright, so change them a lot, at least once a year. Okay, even though they look good, plastic, you never know when they're gonna leak, when they're gonna burst, and when they're gonna go on fire. Then you're not gonna have a car. Alright, change them up, people. They're cheap enough. I think $7-8 for the kit. Or you could buy some from like swap meets. They're like 2 for $5 or something like that. Alright, the important part is to change them. Look at that. Look at all that stuff that's in there. Especially that one. Crazy, right? Guess it was sitting this way, so that's where the dirt sits. Alright, change them up, people. Don't be a fool. Thanks for watching.